Look at the question number 5. In the quadrilateral ABCD, is AB plus BC is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2 times of AC plus BD. 2 times of AC plus BD. So when are you joining the diagonals? The two diagonals intersect at a point P. The two diagonals intersect at a point P. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. So what we know? We know that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Always greater than the third side. Now, first you consider these four triangles. What are the four triangles? APB and PBC and PCD and PDA. Okay. And then after that we will tell me in triangle PAB. So what you can say that PA plus PB is greater than what? AB. Yes. PA plus PB, the sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. PA plus PB is greater than AB. Am I right, dear? Okay. Let it be equation number 1. Let it be equation number 1. Then in triangle PBC, what can you say that PB plus PC is always greater than the third side, so BC. Let it be equation number 2. Let it be equation number 2. Am I right? Now, in triangle PCD, so PC plus PD is greater than CD. Let it be equation number 3. Let it be equation number 3. Are you getting? Yes. Now, in triangle PDA, the sum of any two sides of triangle is greater than the third side. First you have to write down the statement. Okay. So when you start the solution, so at that time you have to write down the sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. So in triangle PDA, so PD plus PA is greater than AD. Let it be equation number 4. Let it be equation number 4. Am I right? Now, what you can do? You can add all the 4 equations. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So PA, first you add the left hand side, that is PA plus PB plus PB plus PC then PC plus PD plus PD plus PA is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Am I right? AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Am I right? Now, PA plus PA 2 times of PA, PB plus PB 2 times of PB, PC plus PC 2 times of PC, PD plus PD 2 times of PD. So 2 times of PA plus PB plus PC plus PD is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Am I right, dear? Yes. Now, 2 times of, here what we need? We need AC and BD. So AC is nothing but what? AP plus PC. So what I am going to do? I am going to rearrange PA plus PC plus PB plus PD is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. That is 2 times of AP plus PC means what? AC. So 2 times of AC. PB plus PD gives BD. So BD is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. If suppose 2 is greater than 2 is greater than 1, shall we write as 1 less than 2? Yes, obviously you can write. So here you can write AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2 times of AC plus BD. 2 times of AC plus BD. So therefore, yes, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2 times of AC plus BD. 2 times of less than 2 times of AC plus BD. Are you getting here? Yes, it's very simple. Then, shall we move to the next question? This is the last question in this exercise, I think so. The lengths of two sides of a triangle are given 12 cm and 15 cm. Between what two measures should the length of the third side fall? It's very important one more question. Please remember. So what we know, what is the length of the sides of the two sides of the triangle are given 12 cm and 15 cm. 12 cm and 15 cm. Centimeter and 15 centimeter. Between what two measures should the length of the third side will fall? It is 12 centimeter. Another one is what? 15 centimeter. So we know that the sum of any two sides of the triangle is what? Always greater than the third side. So from the given question, it is given that two sides of the triangle are what? 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Therefore, 12 plus 15 is what? Just you find the sum and the difference. So 12 plus 15 is what? 27 centimeter, and the difference is 15 minus 12 is what? 13 centimeter. So that the third side should be fall between 13 and 27. 13 and 27. Are you getting here? Just to find the difference of that. 12 plus 15 is what? 27. So when we are adding, so 12 plus 15 it should be 27. So the third side it should be greater than 27. Am I right? Then only it will satisfy the property. The sum of any two sides of triangle is always greater than the third side. Then the third side 15 minus 12 is what? 15 minus 12 is what? 3 centimeter. 15 minus 12 is what? 3 centimeter. Sorry, I wrote 13 first. It should be 3. 15 minus 12 is what? 3 centimeter. Now it should not be less than 3. It should not be less than 3. Suppose what it happens, sir? If suppose if you are taking 2.8, so 2.9 will take. Suppose if it is 2.9, then 12 plus 2.9 is what? 14.9. But 14.9 is less than 15 centimeter. Are you getting here? That's what it should be, greater than 3 and less than 15. You are not supposed to take 15.1 also. If you are taking 15.1, it should be what? Greater than 3. Greater than 3. 3 means 3.1 we take. So 15.1. 15.1. Am I right? So that third side should fall between 3 and 27. 3 and 27. If you are taking 27.1, suppose if you are taking 27.1. Which one? This one. 27.1. 12 plus 15 is what? 27. 27 is less than 27.1. 27 is what? Less than 27.1. That's what the third side should lies between 3 and 27. 3 and 27. So that the length of third side falls between 3 centimeter and 27 centimeter. 3 centimeter and 27 centimeter. Are you getting here? Yes. Tomorrow onwards I am planning to revise what 4 chapters for your half yearly exam. Then tomorrow I will tell you the portions and question pattern for your half yearly exam. Then tomorrow onwards we will revise for your half yearly exam. Thank you everybody. Thank you.